Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate emeralds in Minecraft Bedrock. This clever trick helps you get unlimited emeralds for trading with villagers. You can use these precious gems to acquire powerful gear or rare items. It is a simple method anyone can master in just a few minutes. First, gather all the necessary items for this duplication method to work. You will need at least one emerald block, along with one piston and one lever. Additionally, acquire any building block, like dirt or stone, and ensure you have at least one piece of redstone dust. These common materials are easy to find or craft within the game world. To perform the duplication, start by placing your emerald block on the ground. Next, position the piston facing towards the emerald block, leaving one space between them. Now, place a building block behind the piston and a redstone dust on top of that block. Finally, place the lever on the side of the building block and flick it quickly to duplicate the emerald block. For best results, make sure the area around your setup is clear for the duplicated blocks to appear. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, generating hundreds of emeralds in just a few short minutes. Always double-check your redstone connection and piston orientation for 100% success. This method makes trading with villagers much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.